So how do you download the Google Photos app on the iPhone? And let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss videos and tutorials like this one. So of course, you need to open up the the App Store, and in there look up the Google Photos. So this is what it looks like. Make sure you click on the Get button, authenticate yourself by double pressing the side button like that, and the app will be downloaded and installed on your device. So when you open it up for the first time, it will ask you if you want to give it access to your photos and all of the things which the app asks you to do. So you probably need to allow it, right? So it would make sense. But the point is that even if you change it or set it up some other way, you can always go back to the settings app, go to the apps at the bottom and look up the Google Photos there. So you will be able to just change and adjust the settings here. So you get to decide if the photos get full access, which is recommended actually, and all of the other things. Personally, I don't have the notifications enabled. I don't find that necessary, but the background app refresh and the cellular data are also very important because the Google Photos want to back up all of the images which you capture on your camera, right? So they will save to your regular Photos app, but also the Google Photos can access those and it will back them up automatically. So I personally keep the background app refresh enabled so the app can work in the background as well. And the same thing for cellular data because I just want it to work out fine, right? And even without Wi-Fi, I want my photos to be backed up automatically. So that's how I like to do it and how I have it set up. So let me know what you think below. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.